Hi, bonjour.
Je m'appelle Alice.
Nice to meet you.
You're Nobu?
So I am Nobu,
Okay.
so welcome. So today I like to teach you how to make sushi. So this is a branzinos. Any country, I like to use local
Okay, fishes.
fish
Okay.
as much as possible. Sushi, I don't want to keep the too long to the fingers because the body, as the body temperatures, keep the too long, fish comes warm. Just touch it. Nice. So I show you one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Right? This is called a nigiri.
Nigiri, okay.
So next one I'm gonna teach you how to make the sushi roll. So then rice, put it in the middle. Squeeze it, then left bring it, push to left to the right. Again make the fence. Then these 4 fingers from edge, put the middle of the rice, then push the front. Got it, you can great. Then wasabi,
Wasabi.
put the middle.
So then you cut the tuna. Okay.
Yeah, tuna. Okay, can you put the middle?
Comme ça.
Yep. Then halfway. Wait. Now finish roll them up. Got it. End of the process. These 2 fingers, put the middle of the seaweed here. Then open. This is great. So I'm gonna cut this one. Cut 6. Great. Yours much better than mine. Now let's take 3 pieces. Wait. 1, 2, 3. And then I do this way.
Comme ça.
Right, done. Even exactly the same. Then 1 bite.
One bite. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It was good. Thank you.
Merci.
All right.